Hi. Hi. We all know that there is a plugin, a MongoDB plugin, what we can use with VSCode. So now we will see how we can use MongoDB plugin with VSCode, and I believe that it will make our work a lot easier to work with MongoDB by using this plugin with VSCode. For using plugin with VSCode, first we will have to go to MongoDB VSCode, and there we will have to click on extension, and there we will write just MongoDB, and we'll get MongoDB for VSCode. And here, as I have already installed that, so there is no install button here, but you will get install button, and you will have to just click on the install button. And after installing, you will get a leaf icon here, MongoDB leaf icon, leaf logo or plugin logo icon here, and you'll have to click here, and you will get a connection button so that you can connect to your database. And this is the form to be connected with the database, and you will have to fill up all the credentials, MongoDB host URL or host name, anything, everything here. If you are using Atlas, then what you will have to do is you will have to give here the Atlas URL, and you will have to enable the SBR record, and here you will just use username password. You will give the username password, and here you will have to write admin admin if you want to connect with Atlas. And you do not need to give the replica name. Here is primary, you can select primary or you can select secondary preferred, anything. Primary preferred I have selected, and just will connect, and you will be connected very quickly. um, I have actually already connected my plugin with or VS Code with my Atlas. You can connect with your local host too. Here I've collected to connect to my Atlas, and we are seeing that there are several databases in Atlas. If I go to here, we are seeing that it is a sample Airbnb database where there is a collection listing ribbon which has actually 6 kilo documents. We can use MongoDB shell, or if we click on here, we will see the actual documents, and if we click here, then we will see the document here, and we're seeing here actually we cannot edit anything. We can be actually connected with MongoDB a MongoDB database by using shell. What I will have to do is I will just have to click on F1, and I will have to write MongoDB and if I write, and I will get actually MongoDB shell. I will just click here, and as I already connected to the database using the credentials, so I will not have to give any credentials or any external things to be logged in the database. So I will be easily logged in to the database. So I have logged in here. So if I want to see the anything, or if I want to see what databases are actually already created in the server, then I will be able to see those. I will just write show DBs. I will see that there is lots of database already created here, and I can do lots of stuff by using this. I think you know how to use MongoDB shell. And what another thing we can do is that is we can use MongoDB Playground. MongoDB Playground, that is here. If you go there, then we will get a template. We will get a template for MongoDB VS Code Playground will be database name. Actually, I have already worked with this. So there, when I will just click here on the right side, right above, then if I click here, then it will actually show everything what the query is doing actually, and how the query is doing. And if I guess yes, and it will show the result actually in the terminal. Yes, we are seeing the output actually here. and the database will be created here in the Atlas, or if you are using the localhost, then it will be in localhost server. I think everything I have said here, I think it will help you to work with VS Code. Until then, goodbye. Thank you very much for watching this.